This time on Maker Hack Shack, I show you how to build a horseshoe puzzle. Let's get it started. This casting's a little rough. We'll have to grind it down. Now I'll cut the chain links with a hacksaw. Now I'll squeeze down these half links so they can grip the horseshoe. This will make it much easier when we go to weld it. Now that we got the parts all laid out, we just have to mock it up. Alright, time to weld it together. Well, flux core is kind of messy, but nothing a grinder can't fix. Well, it's all assembled. One more thing though, gotta put the ring on. I'll do a short showing how to solve this puzzle so I don't spoil the trick. Join us next time on the Maker Hack Shack.